Through the trees, moving softly with the breeze. Morning light upon your hair, like the sunlight resting there. Every flower turned your way, as if asking you to stay. Even silence seemed to sing for the lady dressed in green. Lady in green, where have you been? Like a dream I've never seen. Lady in green, soft and free, you're the calm inside of me. Smiled as you went by. Birds were riding through the sky. Every leaf began to dance, caught inside your gentle glance. You never spoke a single word, still your quiet voice was heard. Like the earth after the rain, you made everything bloom again. If tomorrow takes you far, I'll remember who you are. Like the forest after spring, always dressed in living green.